Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Angry Birds Happy Meal that I ordered from Cinderella. So let's go ahead and open it up. I mean, look at the red, it's so furry. And if you look the side of the Happy Meal, it turns out to be a magic. Woo! Look it! So we have this cute cat. Look at the wrinkles in his belly. Look at the toe paws. The paws is like a dog, but it is barely cat's. Okay, so here a button. See, like it's a screwdriver, but it's a button, so we better cover her. Okay, so let's press on it. Oh, cute! She's closing her eyes because she's sleeping. Look at her paws. Look at her brownish color over here. I mean, where is her tail? I don't see it anywhere. It must be... Yeah, this is her tail. I forgot. Where's her legs? Well, okay. So she has like these black and like these kind of a brown, like, ears. Two of them. They're so cute and fluffy. Aww. Look at this. It's brown over here and brown over here. Black over here. Look at the teeny tiny little nosy. And I also love cookie fans. I'm going to send a letter to a cookie fans. She might like it because I've watched her a lot of videos. Please, cookie fans, please like me, subscribe me. I will take your channels a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so I am me, totally like my brother, and subscribe my brother. Please, cookie fans, please, I wanted you to be subscribing, please. I barely watch your videos so much, the weird candy, and kind of Shopkins. You love Shopkins, so I have some cutie car that you could see. I have a cutie car, a Shopkin. I just have a first thing of I hope I have this cutie car in the first time. Of course, it's Noodly Noodles, and I also even show you in this last time video in 2017. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna open up this in second last. Okay. Okay, so totally subscribe me and my big brother. Okay, so let's open up this Angry Bird. And I think we'll put this fluffy little kitty over here. I hope cookie fans like it because it's cute. Look it. Alright, so let's open up this. I mean, look at the detail on this one. This is so cool. You could cut it into a half like Chuck and Okay, so I hope you enjoy the Bell of PX. Okay? And
Silly.
What?
Hey, it's me, Red. It's not that. It said, join the Battle of Beaks.
Ooh, okay. Whatever. Let's open up you. Look at what's inside. Have you can see? See, cookie fans? I hope you see. Alright, so let's see what we have. Looks like we got a melted Olaf. Yucky. Ew, we're missing his little nosy. Okay. What? No way. What is this? It's Elsa's body. Oh no. It's bad. It's bad. This is real bad. Real bad. Oh, here's fixed Anna. Let's see if we can get off some body parts. We can't because she is a little bit of kind of a glued and real detailed, real cool. Look at the dress on Elsa's Sparkle. It's so cool. Sparkle. Okay, Now let's see, where's her? Oh, here's Olaf's nose. There we go. Here's Olaf's carrot nose. I hope I could eat it and swallow it my own. Let's see. There we go. And where's Elsa? Queen Elsie. Oh, there she is. Here's the surprise blind bag. Let's remove you over here, Chucky. I mean, here's a cat, so you better be. Ah, my troll. There we go. Put her right here. Okay, so here we got Elsa. Let's see. I hope she's a break apart over here. I don't know, but I think it's a play set or a puzzle piece. I don't know. But it looks so cool. Look, she's holding a snowflake. I mean, it's magic. Okay, I love these figures. So cool. Let's check out this McDonald's surprise blind bag. Woohoo! So let's see, what do we got? Woo! We got Chuck and little birdie that I don't know. Leave down below in the comment. I sure want Cookie fans to comment me over in this second. Please, Cookie fans, please. I love you so much that you will buy. I mean, the weird candy that you said the bunny's gonna taste like cardboard and edible grass. I just even love that video. So be sure to like the Masher Mechanics. I hope you like this video. And of course, I have some Shopkins for you guys too. That you guys love tons of Shopkins. So I'm gonna open this in the second last that I got in 2018 in this month. And of course, I got a blind bag of this puppy. It's kind of a ruin though. Yeah, okay. Well, let's put this puppy over here and check it out. This. So we'll put these two away. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's just do it faster than I thought. Okay, we'll build this right in this second. Come on. Alright, so we got these two and we build up all of this. So let's see. Okay, let's see. I just want to show you the sea lion that Cookie fans just got, that eraser, and also there's money in here. Ariola's $100 bill, so we don't have to make a part of it. And also, I want to show you that I make some mini erasers. Wait a minute, where's that other one? I think it's just gonna fall off. Whatever, I'm just going to pick it up later. So here's her fantastic fancy little eraser. I mean, it's so tiny. Look at that teeny tiny little face. It's so cute. Alright, let's see. Let's do it. I know Cookie fans gonna choose this one. This guy's silly. Okay, whatever. Well, let's do it fast. And boom! Yay! Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even comment. Bye!